Hey Eric, hey Ernie, this is Daniel. We want to give you a quick update on what's going on. It's been exactly 1 month since we went live with your website. This is what happened from previous to now. So previously, you guys were at 5 backlinks, 2 referring domains, 3 organic keywords, 0 traffic. 2 of the keywords you have weren't bad; they were Inland Empire stuff like that, but you were on like positions 31 and like 65. When we finally built the new one, the new website, within the first month. Oh, also your rank and your UR and DR rating non-existent, and your rank is 101. We now have this. We've gone from a UR and DR rating of non-existent, basically information, to a 25 and a 23. We've gotten the RF rank, href rank to 8, so I think we shed off about 92% or 91%. And then finally, we have 415 backlinks. Many of those have gone to that the other GMB for Riverside. We don't know what happened, but it seems like it got turned off on the 9th. So we're going to do our best on our end to get that thing turned back on. Regardless of what happens, we are going to get that up and running, whether or not we have to start from scratch on our end. Don't worry, we are going to take care of you on that one. And then finally, we have 63 referring domains. These are most of them are do follows from very good websites, and we're going to continue doing that. Now, as far as keywords go, oh yeah, in the comparison, you had I think three. Whoops, let's get that back up here. You had three, I believe, backlinks. Um, Actually, I can just go over here and show you. You have 5 backlinks and 2 referring domains. We brought it up to the 415 and 63. Now, as far as the organic keywords go, this I love. All of these are extremely strong keywords. Now, it is showing that you have that you have 0 traffic for these guys, but I do know that you did get traffic. Obviously, people have gone to your website through some of these guys. So I know, I think it came out like you had 3 traffic from this, even though it's showing not. But as we scroll through, all of these are extremely good keywords that we want to rank for. Yep, some of them are a little higher on the list, like they're getting into the 40s, 43s. But again, this is just the first run through with Google, having them run through and find out and kind of crawl through the website, find all the stuff. But I'm happy because it's not just going on one page; it's going through a diversity of pages, and there's still many more to come, which is why I'm extremely happy about this progress, because it's kind of interesting that we have this much in just 1 month time. I did not expect that. Now the second step is we're going to focus on some of these keywords, getting them higher. I know Riverside and Inland Empire is a big thing. You guys mentioned that multiple times. We're going to try and focus on now individual keywords for month number 2 and 3, as well as obviously just the organic overall website to start ranking you guys a little higher than that. The goal is to have a lot more than 30 different keywords over here. But again, 1 month scroll through, that's pretty damn good. And then finally, like I said, this is your old one. Again, now I'm going to say don't touch this one until we get the other one up and running again. Or maybe we would have to create a new one. We consulted, and we're trying to figure out why. It could just be a pending thing where Google's kind of looking at it. It could be that they want more information in there. We've been taking a look at it. But like I said, we're going to get that thing up and running. Finally, Josh, did I miss anything? Any updates? Oh, yeah. The people calling you for the GMB, they might be legitimately from Google. Try and verify. Oh, something we should have warned you guys about, and our mistake that we didn't. The fact that we got all those citations for your GMB is going to get solicitors to your door. That's why you're going to. How many have we gotten? 7? 6 or 7 solicitors saying stuff are wrong, this can be done or that can be done. That's very normal. We're trying to find ways to mitigate that, but I don't think we can. So best thing I can do is just say be aware that it's going to happen. But I am happy to that we saw yesterday, I believe, that you got another one that came in and they wanted like a full interior look or done or a full interior painting job done. So I'm very happy that that came through as well. March 30th. Okay, 2 days ago. I'm 2 days off. But if you guys have any questions referring anything, you guys have been very quiet on your end. I personally like that. It means that you're trusting us with what's happening. At the same exact time, like if you do have any questions, please let us know. We'll go through. Oh, nice. Wait, now when? Like
Just now.
yesterday?
Just now.
Nice. We finally got some of those guest posts on there now. They're finally showing up.
They take time.
They
Yeah.
do take time. But yeah, if you guys ever want to get on a call, just it's a simple text message of a time and place. Well, my living room that I'm on, and let us know what we can do to hop on, and we'll go through everything in person if you would like to do that. Anyway, I really hope you guys have a great weekend, Eric. My thoughts and prayers with you. I really hope your dad's okay. Um, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and enjoy.